In this video, I'm going to review another oud oil from Ensar Oud, which is Naga Lutuf. So here is the bottle of Naga Lutuf, and you can see the juice inside is light golden brown. This is a co-distillation. Co-distillation means that there are two different woods or areas used for the woods. One is from India, Nagaland, and the second is Cambodia. So it has some sweetness from Cambodia. So whenever someone distills like Ensar Oud, he is a master distiller. So when someone distills two areas like this, there is aspects of both areas. So Cambodia is mostly it is going to smell sweet caramel kind of vibe from Cambodian ouds mostly, and from Nagaland they are dry, sun dipped sweetness, light sweetness, a little bit of like 5% of barn smell, a little bit of barn or funk, very light. So Nagaland is my favorite area from India. I have few more ouds, artisanal ouds from the same area. So Cambodia and Nagaland. So this has been mixed over here. So this is not very costly. So whenever you have to smell an oud like this where they have Indian artisanal ouds, never try to smell on the cap over here on the top, because it is going to give you a little bit of funk or barnyardy smell. So make sure that you open it up and you apply it on your skin. So whenever it is applied on a warm skin or your skin, it is going to react with the skin temperature. It is going to emit a very different scent which is not available on the tip over here. So make sure whenever you have to experience any oud oil or any other, make sure you apply it on your skin. I mostly do it over here, one swipe over here on my wrist and one on the top of my hand. So I smell over here and then over here, because here we have pulses, so the smell is sometimes different over here. So I'm going to grab it right now and apply a little bit over here. One more thing is that these oud oils, I think they are not going to last more than 4 hours. I have applied it at night, and I think in the morning I was just able to smell a little bit like 5 or 10% of the scent trail. So how is the smell? So Naga Lutuf is basically woody, like fresh cut wood, tree trunk, sweet, little bit sweet, a little dry, not very dry, but a little bit of dryness. That dryness and that jungle vibe is actually coming from Nagaland, and the sweetness, it has a little bit of sweetness of caramel, very little, like maybe 15 or 20%. That is coming from Cambodia. So on the front there is a sweetness that is Cambodi, and at the back it is dry. So if you try any Cambodi oil, they don't have the dry or you can say dry woody aspect in them. So it is present over here. At the front it is sweet, and at the back when you sniff longer, it is going to give you that fresh cut wood smell over here. And one more thing, each oud oil has a different effect on your mind or your senses. So for this one, this actually, you can say for me, it actually activates my brain. I feel more alert, and I feel you can say it is going to open up your senses or mind. So I normally apply it at night because I like it. I like the smell when I sleep like this or this. I have to apply it over here. So make sure you try this one, Naga Lutuf. If you haven't tried it, get a sample of this one. It is not very costly. I think it's around $129 right now. And this is the smell. I cannot say that it's caramelish kind of smell. It is a light sweet, more like I would say that it is semi-sweet kind of oil. It is not overly sweet like honey or caramel. It is a light sweet caramel kind of vibe, very slow. I mean, I think it is very at a different level. Like Cambodi, if I say Cambodi have like 80% of that smell, it has like 30% of that. So then mostly it has you can say sparkling kind of woody vibe underground, dry fresh cut wood. It is like sparkles. It is not like a smooth I would say smooth or rounded smell. It is like something like this, like you have seen a fountain, water is coming out like this. So this is this kind of smell. It is like vibrating like this. So whenever you move your hand around, you are going to get a sweet, dry, woody smell. So I think that is the extent I can describe this one to you. So I think it is good for everyday use. It doesn't have any barnyard, any zero barnyard on your skin. Yes, I think it's maybe 1 or 2%, no more than that. Maybe the people who are not used to oud or these bottles, they might get some irritation on the first apply. But if you are used to these oud oils, I think you are going to enjoy it. So this is the review about Naga Lutuf from Ensar Oud. I hope I will meet you soon in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video with other oud heads or oud addicts. Till then, take care and bye.